So we're up on the hill by the tower there, and Papa is going to do some drone, and I'm going to go check out the city. See what I can see from here. Wow, what is this? Looks like a bridge. Can you see that? I'm going to go down a little bit. Oh wow, it's some kind of a ramp. Oh, look at that. We can see the bay from here a little bit. There's where we are. There's the Cape, Misiones, Sunrock, Cabo Bello, all over there. All right. Well, looks like there's been animals here. A lot of poopies. Oh, wow. Check this view out. Oh, yes. We hit the good one. Let's see if I can get up on the rocks here without dying. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's get up on the rock. Wow. That's incredible. That's some great views. Oh, you can see the greenery over there. That's the golf course behind Walmart and the mall. Wow. Cabo has just grown like so much. It's all the way over there, like past the hill. Wow. That's incredible. Check that out. It's a black airplane. Maybe military. Wow.
That's flight altitude, 150 meters.
We're going to try and fly over that area right there, because that is the old RV park. I'm not too sure what this is, because there's some basketball hoops over there. place right there, and Costco is just over there. So I know that this was the old RV park.
Where are we, Mom?
Well, we are in the old RV park by Costco. Just on the other side of Costco.
Oh, hey, no gate. You drove in.
This must have been a really nice RV park at one time.
And there's a lot of buildings here, like people
There's
built houses.
Yeah.
It's just too bad. Like,
Exactly.
why did they kick everybody out and then let it go bad? Like, it was a nice place.
I'm going to take a picture of the pool. Here's the old pool area. Looks like they had a little hot tub there and a big pool. It's pretty nice. Wow. That's too bad. Maybe it had a nice view of the arch too. I'm Tracy.
And I'm Christian.
And we are Tumbleweed RvLife.